doing something cool for you guys today. Welcome back. How's everybody doing? Today is my birthday. Turned the wonderful big 30 today. 30 years old today, celebrating pretty nice. I got something really cool today. My buddy Dom, really good friend of mine. This is his page right here. Mr. Dominic himself, he got himself a beautiful GT3RS from Champion, and he got the brand new Manthey Racing Kit for it. And this is probably one of my favorite ones. If you guys remember the last one, we did the white one, and then we just recently did a mint green one. But then now today, one of my favorites because it's Arctic Gray. And if you guys remember, my GT4 was Arctic Gray. So I'm really excited for this one. It's standing here right in front of me, and I can't wait for you guys to see it because I'm gonna flip the camera around and you guys can enjoy its beauty. Look at that. I don't even know how else to even fully describe it. Dominic did the full Manthey Racing Kit. As you can see, he did not do a graphic on the carbon aero disc, and he did not paint the carbon rear fin. So this thing is full on, just an absolute monster of a car. As you guys can see, Manthey Racing Kit gives you the aero disc, gives you all this aero right here, top aero here, rear side right here, and you guys can see that right here. Big fan of this car and everything about it. So we're gonna take it out, we're gonna go shoot it, we're gonna have fun with it, and I'm gonna take it outside, and I'm gonna go for a nice little birthday drive, showing this car off to you guys. So let's get to it. So, like I said, it's really bright outside. Still filming, still doing photos of this, but yes, this is Dominic's car right here. So this is his brand new 2025 911 GT3RS Visoc with Manthey Racing Kit. As you guys can see, this is an Arctic Gray, and he spec'd it with all black Manthey kit. So everything on the Manthey kit comes in its normal flat black finish and exposed gloss carbon finish. So again, he did that with the aero disc. He did not paint the rear fin, and everything else here is all gloss carbon. So probably one of my favorite RS Manthey specs so far. I'll just let all the beauty do the talking. So again, big shout out to Dom, really good friend of mine. He's been hassling me for literally forever for a car, and I finally was able to get him one. So again, big shout out to Mitchell Mirage, head guy over at Champion Porsche. That's his IG. This is Dom's IG if you want to see more of the car. And again, let's go take this car back, see what other people think. I think everybody's at the dealer now. I took it early before anybody got there, so let's bring it back, have everybody see it. So another thing that Dom did inside the car was Champion Motorsports' coolest mod and fix that they have done, like I showed you guys in the previous video. Champion Motorsport came up with the awesome rear view camera system that replaces the complete no visibility in the back, as you guys can see, because of the carbon rear windshield and dorsal fin. So because there's no viewing there, Champion Motorsport came up with a awesome fix for that. So because of that, they came up with an awesome digital rear view camera system setup, as you guys can see. Awesome that you guys can see that back there. So I have full visibility behind me, as you guys can see, and not right here. So of course, you guys are probably wondering, well, what if it glitches, what if it turns off? Well, the cool part is that you could turn it off, and it's back to being a review camera. But there you go, right back on. So highly recommended. Champion Motorsport, again, always innovating, creating new ways to make things better. So let's get back to it. Oh, Matthew, we're back again with another Manthey GT3RS. And you're gonna be driving that murdered out one. But this one, it's a little bit differently. This has a full livery by Chris over at Superior. This is the Manthey Racing GT2RS Club Sport Evo design, which I don't even think any of you really know what that is. I just found out about it today with Matt. But we're gonna go take some more shots of this. But before we do that, look at this beauty. Batman, kind of Batman. It's not black wheels, it's blue. But look at this, completely murdered out Manthey GT3RS. Now remember, Matt, there's no camera in this one, so you got to drive very cautiously. What do you think about this one?
I don't know. It's as safe as you can get with a GT3RS, I guess.
Define safe as you can get. What's not safe? Conservative is probably what you were thinking of. So one thing about this car that not many people have even seen yet, because I haven't opened the door yet, you have something this cool, this crazy looking. You'd think it'd be a gnarly interior, right? Nope. This one has comfort seats. That is the way my buddy Steven spec'd it out. Big shout out to Steven over at LimitedSpec. He's coming to pick up this car. I will link you guys' page right here. But yeah, 18-way comfort seats, Matt, and an RS. New black looks really good. So, back down in Miami, heading over to LimitedSpec yet again because I know the guys, Steven and Santi, just can't wait for me to come and absolutely terrorize their inventory like I did in my last video last year in the 812 GTS right here, where I totally had fun burning those tires to a crisp. But Steven just took delivery of his black Manthey GT3RS that you guys saw earlier in the video, but now we are carrying over into driving down to their showroom. It's my first time visiting them. Known Steven for a very long time. Again, high school friend, very successful guy. I'm very happy for him. So yeah, driving down here, they have a Rolls Royce Cullinan with the full 1016 wide-body kit on it. So big shout out to Peter and James over at 1016 Industries. Huge supporter of them, American-made company. Awesome guys. One of the best companies I've had the privilege of working with as well. So going out there, taking out a Cullinan down here in Miami. So we're gonna enjoy Miami in a Rolls Royce Cullinan wide body. So I don't know how much that is. I think it's like 6, 7, maybe 800,000. I don't know. When I drive cars, I don't drive them knowing the price tags, because if you drive knowing the price tag, you crash them. So almost there. Follow me. Look who it is, Mr. Manthey himself.
What's up, bro?
How are you?
Good.
How's everything? How's the car?
I love it.
How's driving a Manthey car?
It's insane.
How's driving a car without a rearview mirror?
Oh, that kind of sucks.
Too nice. Look at this. Dude, I've never even seen a Manthey, another Manthey, another Cullinan, another Cullinan, another Rolls, another Cullinan. What wide body is this?
This is a 1016.
Oh, this is another one. This is the one I'm taking.
Yeah.
Oh, this is rad. Too
like
sick. Gotta say, hats off to Peter and the guys at 1016 for this film. Look at this wide body kit. You got standard right there, wide body, standard, wide body. Wide body looks way nicer. Way nicer. All right, so in the Cullinan, I think I've only been in a Cullinan once, but this is the first time where I'm actually gonna be driving around Miami in one. I'm excited. My buddy James and his family have had Cullinans for a while. I've been in the back of one. I thought they were great. Again, this is my first time being in one, driving one, and then also in a 1016 wide body one. So I'm really excited. This is a beautiful interior, beautiful blue interior with the Starliner. So I am actually really excited, guys. I haven't been excited to actually drive a car in a very long time, because, you know, I mean this humbly. I'm very spoiled in driving Porsche, Ferrari, Lamborghini, blah, 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 blah. But not many custom wide body Rolls Royces are ever in my lineup. So getting to do this for 1016 and LimitedSpec, I'm actually really excited. This thing's actually pretty gnarly. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like, it's actually pretty gnarly. The whole murdered out look with the awesome baby blue interior that is just absolutely stunning. Another one of my favorite spots here. You guys can see here in Miami. Right here. This is definitely one of my favorite project cars that, you know, 1016 has done. I gotta say, so far, driving this car around Miami, it's definitely been a blast. I mean, we already know that Rolls Royces are probably one of the best driving comfortability cars out there, but I mean, like, check that out. Look at that interior, guys. Like, it does not get any better than that. It really doesn't.
The next day.
Back with another tool car Francis is with me today. I don't know if you guys remember Francis. Francis was the gentleman that brought me the Novitec Pure Songwood, the black one that we did. He's back. He brought me something else, an 812 GTS Novitec. Without further ado, everybody welcome back. Mr. Francis. Oh, here we go. He got to pre-rehearse himself and everything.
I know, I gotta gather myself.
Dude, always bring me the Novitec stuff.
We're trying, man.
Excell Racing doing more cool stuff,
Yep.
as you guys can see. Okay, so I won't put the camera on you, but I'll give it to you,
Okay.
and I'll tell everybody what you did.
All right, so this build, another pretty cool one, man. Brixton Forge referred this customer to us. Obviously, it's got the Brixton Forge Carbon Plus wheels.
These are the Dimag collab that they did?
Correct.
Nice.
And the car didn't have, it was basically stock. So it didn't have lowering springs, didn't have any carbon on the car, and the customer wanted to do a little bit more. So obviously carbon wheels, carbon body kit, you know? So we did the full Novitec carbon kit, carbon fiber front lip, carbon fiber front grille, carbon fiber side skirts, carbon fiber fender strip, carbon fiber mirror caps.
So you did the carbon here,
Carbon there,
carbon wheels,
carbon wheels,
carbon on the side,
carbon on the side,
and then you did the carbon spoiler,
correct,
and you did the carbon
diffuser,
diffuser.
or whatever you call it, rear bumper.
Yeah.
And yeah,
Dude, this thing is sweet. Now this is a full red interior as well.
correct. Take that seat cover off of there so you can.
Woo! Oh, look at that. GTSs are too sick, dude. Too sick. Always love a nice Ferrari that Francis gets to bring me. And, oh yeah, this is the old key still, so that will turn right on. I will put these here, and then the top button. As you can see, everybody, that's how you do a proper top.
Drop top life.
Not just that, it's just that everybody knows that I just absolutely hate Lamborghini drop tops because they're the worst. Wow. Okay, yeah, I could definitely. I love a nice manual. Is that a manual seat? I have never seen a manual seat before in a Ferrari.
That's actually, now that you point that out, that's my first time seeing that too. Maybe it's a thing with the carbon seats, because this does have the carbon race seats. If you look on the back of that one there, you can see it. So maybe
Oh, yeah, right there, yeah.
like that?
Dude, I'm not even lying to you. I've never seen a manual seat in a Ferrari before. That is. Just like that, another photo shoot done. I was really looking forward to this one. Had a pretty eventful week this week, guys. Had a Manthey GT3RS for my buddy Dom. Had a wonderful Rolls Royce Cullinan, and now wrapping up with the Ferrari, Ferrari 812 GTS with the Novitec body kit on it. Not the Widebody kit, just regular. Big shout out again to Francis and Rob over at Excell Racing in Boca Raton. They do some of the best stuff. And before I wrap everything up, here's the man himself. I'm literally doing my goodbye to the video, shouting out you and Excell. But is there any final words you want to say to the people, Francis?
I mean, thanks for watching. Thanks to all our vendors and supporters, especially Novitec and Brixton Forge, and looking forward to the next one.
Looking forward to the next one, everybody.